The recipe is available in different languages of the world. Turn on the caption, CC, and select your desired language. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get the updates of my latest recipes. Sandan, sweet rice bread, preparation. Add 100 grams cooked rice to mixture jar. Add 300 milliliters milk. Add 300 milliliters coconut milk. Grind it well. After grinding, pour into a bowl. Add 50 milliliters water to mixture jar and clean it. Add 2 cup rice flour. 2 teaspoons instant yeast. 1 teaspoon salt. Mix everything nicely. Add 1 cup castor sugar and mix it. Keep 1 hour to ferment. Take a round mold or bread mold. Take 1 teaspoon oil and grease it. Now put baking paper in it. Rice mixture 1 hour later. Stir to remove air bubbles. Pour mixture into the mold. Keep for 15 minutes. Steam preparation. Place the mold into steamer. Cover and steam over high heat for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later. Cool it completely. Sandan, sweet rice bread, is ready. Enjoy your meal. Ingredients are available in the description box. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.